Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to today's presentation, where I will be providing invaluable insights into securing your WhatsApp account. Have you ever paused to consider the vulnerability of your WhatsApp security? Prepare yourselves as I reveal the potential susceptibility to hacking and, most importantly, equip you with the knowledge to identify if you've been targeted. Let us delve into the intricacies of this potential breach. Imagine this scenario. Engrossed in your phone, unaware that someone may be attempting to compromise your WhatsApp security. Here's how it could transpire. Step 1. Commence by navigating to Google and search for SpyMain. This website has recently garnered attention, even prompting acknowledgement from WhatsApp themselves via Twitter. Let's examine it before it disappears. Upon arrival, you will notice the website boasts a polished, user-friendly interface. Click on Start Now to proceed. Next, select the service of interest. For the purpose of demonstration, let's choose WhatsApp tracking. Enter the WhatsApp number you intend to target. Now, allow the website to execute its operations as it seeks access to the files. Finally, the critical moment unfolds. If you encounter a verification confirmation, congratulations! Access to WhatsApp may be within reach. Now, on to the verification process. Typically, this involves completing various offers, contingent upon your location. Whether it entails verifying your phone number, email, or installing an application, the objective remains consistent: gaining direct access to WhatsApp. I will opt for the first option. To conclude the verification, it is imperative to install the application, download it, and briefly utilize it. Following this, it is simply a waiting game for the verification to succeed. All the files are now accessible to you. Quite remarkable, isn't it? Now let us address the crucial aspect: identifying if your WhatsApp has been compromised. It may not always be apparent, but fear not. I am here to guide you. Instead of directly accessing your WhatsApp, navigate to the familiar 3 dots and select Linked Devices. Here you will encounter any active connections, including potentially unauthorized ones. If you detect any, simply click Log Out to terminate the connection and safeguard your data. So there you have it, an insight into WhatsApp's vulnerability to hacking. However, armed with this knowledge, you are empowered to detect and thwart any unauthorized access. If you found this presentation informative, kindly express your support by liking and subscribing to the channel. And remember, there is a plethora of engaging content awaiting you here. Until next time, remain vigilant.